That's what you're gonna do when we're all done?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Look, Mom.
Have you started?
Oh. Cake. Cake. I'll show you.
Okay, show me.
I cut cake.
Okay. What are we gonna start with? Let's get the mixer.
Oh, yeah.
Should we use the good mixer or
Yes,
this mixer?
the good mixer.
Okay.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Daddy.
It's in the other
Where?
It's in the ice cream over there, the little one. There you go.
There it is.
The little things are in here, though. I
Okay.
think. Which ones are they?
They're the ones in the KitchenAid.
Are they that ones?
Yeah.
No, they're not in the bottom.
Or those might be it. Or is it those?
What you have, Mommy?
Got the beater for the mixer here. See if these are. I think they are. Yeah, the other ones are in here. Those look nice. So they're probably for that. Yeah, those are the ones for that. You gotta put it in the right hole though. Well, see what I'm saying? You put it in the right hole.
No, we did put it in the right hole. This one is the one with the... There you go.
There you go. Here's okay. Okay. So we've got to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Hey, Mom. What's that?
That's icing.
Okay.
I put it on like this, like this.
Yeah? You're gonna do it, okay?
Can you do it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Me?
So we've got to grease the sides and bottom of each pan with shortening or oil spray.
Yes. What's that?
What pan are we going to use?
What's that?
That's mine.
Yeah?
This?
Mm-hmm.
What pan are we going to use, Ben?
That's mine.
I don't know, do it.
Daddy.
Yeah.
That's mine.
No, right now. I'll let you use it though.
The 8-inch. Or 2 9-inch or 13 by 9. I was gonna say you should stop it and start again.
Okay, stand up.
Okay.
Those are eggs.
Mommy.
Hmm?
My tummy.
You yummy in your tummy?
Wow.
Don't grease it right now.
So that's what it is.
Wow.
Grease it whenever it's ready.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Flour
Okay.
lightly.
Wow.
You
Okay.
have flour? What are you doing?
Oh, wow. Okay.
You're singing?
That's your song?
Yes. I candy. Poo-poo.
What?
Why? That's not a good song. Not a good song at all.
Yes.
Crazy. Okay, so put the mix in, and then we need water, oil, and eggs. So instead of oil, we're just going to use a stick of butter.
And instead of water, we're using milk.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, hell yeah.
That's chocolate in there.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's chocolate. It's going to make a chocolate cake. You want chocolate cake?
Cake, 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 poo-poo.
What?
What?
Cake, poo-poo.
That's the most disgusting cake ever. How many cups?
1 cup.
1 cup.
It makes chocolate.
Okay.
It's cheese.
How many eggs?
Chocolate.
3.
And heat up 1 stick of butter. 3 eggs?
That's,
Well,
that's,
I want to put 4.
No, put 3.
Remember it said add?
Daddy,
Okay.
that's butter.
It said they were going bad anyway.
Wow, it's good.
We're probably going to use some for jinxing. People jinxing
What?
us.
Was it anything? What am I getting?
butter. Mmm. So yummy.
It's chicken milk. What's that?
Look over there.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yes.
What you doing?
Making cake.
Oh. Come on.
Mhm.
Yes.
No, but you're gonna get to use it. You wanna use it? It's gonna make that noise.
Should I melt it more?
Can't hold that thing. Didn't use it.
Now what you doing? That's an air. What? Trash.
How long do you have to cook it for? Or bake it for?
46 minutes.
Mommy,
26
it's enough.
minutes.
We have Southland to watch tonight.
We're done.
Okay.
Okay.
We're done.
Okay.
Okay.
Or Sonny. Okay. Not hot. Okay. I was gonna say, be careful because the boss can knock it off the time. No, let Bubba do it.
Let me start it,
Oh.
and then you can do it.
Oh.
Mike, what you doing?
Making a cake. What are you doing?
Well,
We're gonna do it mostly, and then at the end I'll get him a spoon to do it with. It might be better.
It's so delicious. Good.
Dad, what you doing, Daddy?
Mixing.
What are you doing, Marcelon? I think that's good.
Here, Arsalan, hold it. Stand up. Stand up. Hold it. See how it's mixing?
Wow.
Good job.
Hey, good job, Bill. Here, now hold the bowl. You want to do it with a spoon now? Turn that off so it's gonna overmix it. Okay,
You can overmix things?
yes, baby.
Really?
Yes.
We did it.
I don't know. I don't know.
Ah,
Eat it. Eat it. Look. Eat it. That's the best part of making a
You want to
cake.
mix it, Arsalan? Stand up and you can mix it with a spoon.
Oh my god.
Don't eat too much of that, baby. It's bad for you. That's right. It's gonna give me tummy ache, is what I'm saying.
Mama, stand up.
Worth it.
Stand up and mix. Stand up and mix, look. Stand up.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yummy, yummy. Look how good that looks, Arsalan. Okay, spray the pans. Just pour it in.
You need to put flour?
Yeah. A lot.
Come on here.
No.
Right here.
spray that one.
What's the man?
My cake's going in that one.
No, this cake fits 2 pans, so you have to get another pan for your cake.
Now look at me. I can make my plate over.
Yeah?
Spray that one.
What kind of... Do we have 2 more pans?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You liked me? Am I not gonna get my cake tonight?
You don't get no cake for you, sir. Should we make both cakes tonight, though? You don't want to make one tomorrow?
Sure. Look, he's eating out of it. Is it good?
Yeah, do that one. So, I just kind of sprinkled it. Arson, I couldn't drop it. Okay, come on. Now let mommy put it in the bowl, in the pans, okay? Look.
No, wait.
Boom.
Give me the ball.
What are
Give
you
me
doing?
the ball. Give me the ball, mommy.
The bowl? You want the bowl?
Hold on, you get the bowl after mommy does this, okay?
Then you can eat what's left, okay?
Careful.
Cheese.
It's not cheese. It's flour.
Flower.
Flour.
Okay, here. Put this in that bowl. And then that one.
That.
Because it's going to puff up a lot, and if you fill it all the way to the top, it'll take forever to cook.
That. Mom, that's mine.
Yeah, one's for you.
1, 2, 1, mine.
Yeah. You get a whole,
I
got a whole cake to yourself, baby.
yeah.
Oh, Arsenal pans.
What happens if you overmix these?
It just doesn't taste as good.
I think you're lying.
Mom, I want dinner.
You don't understand that? Okay, then don't stand up, baby love.
Mine.
Okay. Which one has more in it? Which one has more? Does yours have more? I put the rest in this little one. It's gonna go lacking.
What?
Yeah.
Give me a spoon. Like an actual big spoon.
Little spoon.
Yeah. I'm gonna chuck on my head. Stop it, Dad. Not gonna chuck on my head.
Yeah,
Don't
chocolate.
get chocolate on his head, Ben.
I'm sorry.
What are you thinking? I wish I had chocolate on my head. Like,
Here.
why he's complaining
Here.
about chocolate
Eat it.
being...
No, I want
No, we will. We have to bake it first. What are you doing?
No, I want a spoon.
Here, you eat the spoon. Eat it.
That's you.
No, you eat it. No, don't put it in there, crazy bite.
No!
No, take a bite. You want to eat it? Give it to Daddy. Feed it to Daddy. No, don't dip it in there, baby. Give it to Daddy.
Daddy
Yummy. No, you eat it.
No, you eat it. Feed it to
No,
mom.
no, baby, I don't want any.
Oh, she's scared of...
I don't want any, thank you. I don't want any, thank you. You put it on you. I'm not getting you. We'll get it on you.
My daddy eating.
Look. I got you. Eat it.
Hey,
It's good.
eat
Eat
it.
it on my finger.
You got some on your nose, mister.
You got your nose. You want to
Here. Eat it.
No?
Here.
Okay.
Okay. No.
No, I don't want to eat off your finger. You eat off your finger. Now, Quinn. In your mouth. Put it in your mouth. You're such a crazy baby. Don't want to eat the batter. Oh, is that good? You're silly. The thing beep. Put it in here now.
Give me some food.
So delicious.
Here, he wants some. Let me put this up, okay? Now we're gonna gotta bake a cake. You want it to be a cake, right?
No, we
No,
gotta
that
bake it. Look, mommy's gonna bake it.
Gosh.
Mommy's gonna bake it, and then we're gonna eat it. Okay? What? Let me see your nose. Oh, I got more on your face. Here, did you want to put this pasta up?
Yeah.